The Department of Textile Technology at Dr. B.R. Ambedkar NIT Jalandhar started in 1989 with an intake of 30 undergraduate students, and from 2002 onwards the department started with MTech in Textile Engineering and Management and PhD in all areas of textile technology. The curriculum of the department is a broad-based curriculum which includes the all areas of fiber science, yarn manufacturing, fabric manufacturing, chemical processing, non-woven and technical textiles, and the curriculum is regularly updated after taking the inputs from the stakeholders, including the industry experts and the alumni of the department. The department has 8 laboratories of different areas of textile technology and are well equipped for carrying out the experiments for the undergraduate and the postgraduate programs. And some of the sophisticated equipments which are available with the department includes the DSC, DMA, liquid chromatography, porometer, UTM, particle size analyzer, filtration test rig, and the runoff erosion control tester, which have been, some of the instruments have been developed by the faculty and students of the department and are available for carrying out the regular experiments and the research work of the students. The department has 14 faculty members with PhD qualification, and the average teaching experience of all the faculty members is more than 25 years. And the faculty is actively involved in carrying out the research in all areas of textile technology, and during all these years they have published more than 300 such papers in the international journals and more than 150 papers in the national journals. Besides this, 7 patents have been filed by the department, and some of them have been commercialized also. One of the recent product development of the department is the Easy Breathe face masks, which has been developed by the department and has been patented and commercialized. The technology has been transferred to Singline Gravers Private Limited, Ghaziabad, and Meditex Industries, Jalandhar. And the product is available in the market and is also available online on Flipkart and Amazon. The faculty of the department has handled projects, externally funded projects up to the tune of 2 crores. And keeping in mind the recent requirement of the technical textile products, the department is going to start with an MTech program in technical textiles from the next year.
The Fiber Science Lab, where we are having few characterization techniques related to fibers and polymers. Mainly the techniques which are available here. This is the DSC and thermomechanical as well, the dynamic mechanical analysis, the DMA. Also we do have a microscope which is attached with a hot plate, so we can also assess the the effect of temperature on the material under microscope. We also do have one FTIR. So these are the main equipment which we do have. Other than that, we also have some interest in the conductivity of textiles.
This is a yarn manufacturing lab. So in this lab, we teach the students about how the yarns are manufactured from the staple fibers such as cotton, polyester and all. For this process, we need a sequence of machines. In that blow room, cording, draw frame, comb bar, roving frame, ring frame and many machines are used. And in this lab we have installed many machines, and this is a cording machine, and after the cording the material will pass to the draw frame. Then from the draw frame that drawn material will be fed to the roving frame, and this is the block model roving frame. Then this final material which is called roving, which is fed to this machine, and this is the compact spinning machine which converts roving into yarn. And this machine is a rotor spinning machine, and this is a modern rotor spinning machine. Here the feed material is slaver, and that is converted to yarn.
So this is the fabric manufacture laboratory of the Textile Technology Department, NIT Jalandhar. We have machines related to fabric manufacture in this laboratory. Woven fabric manufacturing and knitted fabric manufacturing machines, along with some preparatory, yarn preparatory machines also. So we'll just go through. This is a cone winding machine. Then we have a small pearl winding machine. To show the process of pearl winding. And then we have looms. This first loom is basic automatic loom, showing all the processes of weaving. Then we have a penny loom, which is used for making the penny fabrics. So this is the other part of the fabric manufacture lab, and we have a small dial circular knitting machine in this part of the lab, where the students can prepare the single jersey knitted structures for the research work they want to pursue. We also have a capillary flow meter in this lab for checking the porosity of the fabrics. Along with that, we have a UTM machine for the tensile testing of fabrics and yarns. We have a small adhesion tester.
This is textile chemical processing lab. Here some of the textile machines are available for your taking out the prototype samples. This is your 3-phase beaker dyeing machine. Here different 16 beakers are there, which can be used for different color samples with different dyes. This is the autoclave used for your boiling of the sample at high temperature. This is for basically COD test. That is this is your steaming chamber, laboratory steaming chamber used for steaming of the printed samples. This is laboratory jigger for any your long length of sample to be prepared. These are the two padding mangles. This is the latest one and this is the old one. These are used for versatile processes like padding and curing processes for only finishing and continuous machines. This is wash fastness tester in which the wash fastness of dyed samples are checked. This is a winch in which if it is required, grey fabrics or other fabrics can be continuously processed for a longer length or for preparation of samples. This is a HPHP beaker dyeing machine in which polyester can be dyed in sample form, and it is the curing chamber and the setting and curing chamber in which the sample can be treated for heat setting or a high temperature, and finishes or dyes can be cured here. So this is the part used for the preparation of the research work, BTech practical, MTech practical, MTech project, and BTech projects also for all the purposes. Here are the water baths, shaker water bath and normal water baths are available here. Higher dyeing machine for data color in which we can dye your samples, research samples with the help of IR. This is your HPLC. This is for analysis of the components in a color mixture of color or chemicals. And this is your spectrophotometer in which we can analyze the K by S or this is called the absorbance of the sample. So these are all about this instrument and apparatus part of the lab. Now for by S and reflectance values, color difference, and all other things what is associated with the measurement of color.
This is the garment manufacturing lab. There are different kind of stitching machines available in this lab, like we have a lock stitch machine, overlock machine, and chain stitch machine. Now this one is a double needle lock stitch machine. We also have button holing and button swing machines. These two are them. And then we have, these are the different kinds of lock stitch machines. This is the overlock machine. We have another software lab inside this garment lab where we have different kind of softwares like Tukatek, Reach Fashion Studio, Cut Planner, Reach Merchandising Manager, and in the last we have this microscope which is used for research purposes.
So this is textile testing lab. So these all are basic instruments
for carrying out textile testing processes. So we have right from digital filling tester to freeze recovery tester, stiffness tester, then fabric thickness measurement testing, then tensile grab testing. So we have one more lab which is advanced in nature. So let us come here. So here we have the HBI machine, then air permeability machine to measure the permeability of fabric, then thickness gauge for carpets, then this is evenness tester, and then this is like an image analyzer, and this is projection microscope, thermoscope basically. There is projection microscope. Okay. So and this is a universal testing machine which is generally used to test from fiber to fabric.
So myself, Dr. A.K. Chaudhary, I am lab in charge of this fabric research lab. So now I am just to introduce the machine we developed and patented under this DST project, that is fabric textile filter media testing. And you can see the running situation of this filter media testing machine. And this machine is mostly used for characterizing the filter media performance. And all these instruments developed by this is a bag filter testing instrument. These two instruments we have developed by our department under the funding of this DST. And this is I would like to just to add, this is a unique instrument of the India, also India. Okay. Now I would like to just to show this is the Elam Beta instrument. Recently we procured from the Czech Republic, and this instrument is used for characterizing the thermal properties of the fabrics, and this is one of the latest instruments in the area of this thermal characterization of the fabrics. And this one is the electronic fabric thickness testers we procured from this UK. And similarly this one is the instruments, SDL Atlas instruments, and this one is the MMT moisture management test we done for the fabric for just characterizing the moisture management properties of the fabrics. And this is the fabric stiffness tester. This instrument given the data of this particular matter characterization, PM 2.5 and PM fin thread fittings. Instrument is used for this runoff erosion control.
At least 20 students can work here. We have the two licensed software. One is the Sigma Plot. One is the Sigma Plot 14 for exact graphs and data analysis.